Hello dear viewers. Today I'm going to do a little bit of a different video, and it's going to be drink mixing. I'm going to show you how to mix together a Radler or Shandy, and I like to use Blue Moon because it's got a little hint of orange citrus flavor already within it. So just that little bit of, that little hint of flavor is really good for making a Radler or Shandy. And you got to use a lemon lime soda when you're making your Radler or Shandy. Okay. So it's my drink of choice. I've got Mountain Dew. It says it doesn't say it's lemon lime flavor, does it? But it is lemon lime flavor purportedly, and that's what I'm going to use. Now, first off, you get your mixing vessel. I've got a bowl. Okay, just a metal bowl, and you've got to have a bottle opener. And well, I don't own a bottle opener. I just get the job done with this. So yeah, this is loaded. It should be. So you get your bottle, and there you go. That's one bottle open. Then the next bottle. Okay. And I kind of messed up. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour the beer into the container. I need to get a funnel. I forgot. Be right back. Okay, I've got the funnel. So you get your lemon lime soda and your beer. Make sure there's no hairs in it. And then you mix the drink. And oh man, that looks delicious. I'll get the camera up close after I pour this all in. And that little hint. There's a little step I haven't shown you yet. I'll bring it closer, but that little hint of citrus flavor really seals the deal. And the reason why I messed up is because there's glass shards in here. So unless you want a spicy Radler or Shandy, detonate or open your bottles a safe distance away from the drinking vessel. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to do this again. Not the opening of bottles, but the mixing. So you get your funnel, or not a funnel, a sieve. And if you have cheesecloth, that's even better, but I don't have cheesecloth. So we'll have to trust that this flour sieve will be small enough to not let little tiny shards of glass through. But I trust that this is going to be perfectly safe and healthy after we filter this a second time. And I'm going to do a little bit of a lab technique I learned through classes that I've taken. And I'm not going to decant this all the way. I'm going to, okay, that's good. So this right here, it's got, you know what? Glass is denser than water. That's what I say. So let's just forget that we even have glass in here, because it's not going to matter. All right? I'm not going to go chugging this. That would be dangerous. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this all back in here, and I'm going to have a nice summer drink. Nice drink for the summertime. And I'm going to show you this nice color. Look at this. Doesn't that look delicious? Now, I don't know what a good drink is if it's not that. So, yeah. This is a bit dangerous or spicy. So, let's pour that out. It's got a bit too much glass for my taste. And now, it should be sufficiently mixed up. But, you know, I'm kind of feeling like, you know, I want it really frothy. So for your Shandy or Radler, just shake it up real good. And then just open it. See, it's no danger. All the carbonation is out. See, look at this. Look how fizzy it is up in there. Okay? Now, taste test. This is just going to be delicious. I don't even need to taste test it. But I'm going to because, you know, you're my dear viewers. So, you know, here we go. That's delicious. Tastes like candy. It's really good. And I don't notice any glass shards going down, so hey, this method really works. It cracks. This drink is a bad Larry, I'll tell you that. So yeah, nice, refreshing, cool summertime drink. And yeah, so I'll see you next time.